How to activate Milestone Credit Card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be demonstrating the process of activating Milestone Credit Card online account. If you're interested in learning this, be sure to carefully follow all the instructions provided in this video until the very end. Before we dive into this tutorial, if you're a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated for our future content. So let's kick things off by launching a web browser on your personal computer and next navigate to the milestone.myfinanceservice.com by entering the URL in the search bar and hitting enter on your keyboard. Upon reaching the official homepage, locate the login panel positioned on the right side of the screen. Input your username and password to access your Milestone account. Once you have successfully entered your credentials, click on the login button highlighted in yellow color and select the customer service option from the top menu bar, followed by choosing the self-service feature. Subsequently, opt to activate a card within the credit or charge account section, and then you will be prompted to input your card details. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the activation process. So that's all there is to it when it comes to activating your Milestone Credit Card online account. I hope you have grasped the steps outlined in this video and that it has been beneficial to you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing, sharing, and giving this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more informative video like this in the future. Thank you for tuning in.